Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle masala. First, gather your essential whole spices. You'll need fenugreek, mustard, fennel, and cumin seeds. Make sure they are fresh and dry. Precision in measurement is key for a balanced flavor profile. For instance, start with 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Next, gently roast your whole spices over low heat. This step enhances their aroma and flavor. Roast them for about 2 minutes until fragrant, but be careful not to burn them. Once roasted, let the spices cool completely. Then, grind them into a coarse powder using a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Now, it's time to mix your masala. Combine the freshly ground spices with turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. For an authentic touch, add about 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Store your finished pickle masala in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness for several months. To customize your pickle masala, adjust the red chili powder to your preferred spice level. For a tangy twist, consider adding 1 tablespoon of dried mango powder. You can also experiment with other spices like black peppercorns or carom seeds to create unique flavor profiles. Remember, the best masala is one that suits your personal taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.